So, we're actually done with the video. So, yun. Actually, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Our video for today is an unboxing. Right? So, di ko na alam. I think this is the 4th time na mag-unbox ako ng gadget for this channel. So, today, we are going to unbox this. Ta-da! It's the Steelseries Arctis 5. So this is the limited edition. So as you can see, it says winner winner chicken dinner. Diba sa PUBG siya. So let's go ahead and unbox. Yan. So open natin siya. So, in front, nakalagay, Rise Up. And then, the logo of Steelseries. Let's open. So, this is how it looks like. So, it has then the manual at the back. So, let's go ahead and remove the item. Ayan siya. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it has the winner winner chicken dinner, the logo, and then it says here dun sa headband niya, what's this? Player unknown. Player unknown yung nakalagay. So battlegrounds. So, inside the box, of course, it has the headset. And then, it includes as well cables. So, let's remove. These are the cables. So we have 3 cables here. So let's go ahead and remove. So this one is the main cable. So mahaba siya, guys. This is the main cable. Then we have this 3.5 mm adapter. And then we also have this chat mix USB cable. Let's go ahead and open. So mahaba din siya, guys. As you can see. So if you're wondering kung para saan tong USB chat mix dial na to, na cable, this will let you adjust the volume of your game and also of your chat audio. So, para hindi masyadong maingay, ganyan. So, kumbaga matitimpla mo siya. So, kung masyado siyang malakas or masyado siyang mahina, so, you can use this cable. In terms of the connection setup for this headset, so you can connect it to Windows, to Apple, to PlayStation, and even to your cell phone. Okay, so in terms of like the material used for this headset, so based from what I can see, it's all plastic. So it's all plastic, and then it has this garterized headband that you can adjust. Ayan, it has this, pwede mo siyang i-adjust. Kung gusto mo, mas masikip siya or mas maluwag. So, depende kung gaano kalaki ang iyong head. So, you can adjust it. And then, in terms naman dito sa foam niya, very soft. So, very soft. Tapos, you can see, meron ditong, ito, papakita ko sa inyo, ito yung mic niya. So, then you can just push it and pull it pag gagamitin mo na yung mic. And then, you can also adjust here. May mga buttons dito. First button is for the mic, kung i-mute mo siya or unmute. And then, second is for the volume. This one. And then, the last one is for the cables. So, for charging, and then also dito yung 3.5 mm na adapter. Okay, so let's try it on. So, this is how it looks like while worn. So, ayan. So, as I mentioned earlier, so you can adjust the garterized band here. So, depende kung gaano kalaki or kaliit ang iyong head. So it will fit you. So, this is not just an ordinary headset. This is an award-winning headset. So, Arctis 5 is actually the best gaming headset at $100 per Gizmodo. And then, not only Arctis 5, so Arctis 7 is also an award-winning headset. So, a best gaming headset, best gaming accessory. So, it's really worth the money. We're done with the video. Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want more videos like this, just comment down below kung ano yung mga gusto nyong i-unbox ko. Alright? So, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much. Bye!